Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the topic from Bohr's atomic model, and we will discuss here the postulates postulates of Bohr atomic model. Bohr's atomic model we will discuss here. In this postulate, first is our postulate is atom has a center called nucleus. We know that the atom has a center called nucleus around which electron revolve. Number 2, electrons revolves only in a fixed circular orbit. Electron revolves only in fixed circular orbits with fixed energy and fixed velocity means electron, this is the nucleus, electron revolve around these orbits. You can say these are the orbits. For example, electron is here, electron may be can revolve here, electron may be revolve here. So electron revolve only in a fixed circular orbit. देखिए रदरफोर्ड ने क्या बोला था कि इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस, बट he had not given any type of concept of fixed. Bohr told us कि electron revolve only in a fixed circular orbit which have a fixed energy and fixed velocity. So this is the second postulate of the Bohr. Now talk about the third postulates we discuss here. Third postulate is quantization condition. Quantization condition we are discussing here. Quantization condition, first we will discuss here. Electrons revolves only in those circular orbits for which the angular momentum that is denoted by L is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. Quantization condition we will discuss here. Electron revolves only in those circular orbits from which the angular momentum L is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi, where h is Planck's constant, whose value is 6.626 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. Okay, and this we can say that when this is the nucleus and electron revolve around this, and when it revolve around the nucleus, then the angular momentum will be equal to h upon 2 pi. At what this is the angular momentum I will tell you after some time. First see here, in those circular orbits from which angular momentum is integral part of it, where the value of n is integer. integer means n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 means electron can revolve in L is equal to h upon 2 pi, or electron can, we can say n h upon 2 pi means n is equal to 1, so L is equal to h upon 2 pi. If n is equal to 2, then L is equal to 2h upon 2 pi, or if n is equal to 3, L is equal to